Imagine waking up in the morning, taking your coffee, sitting back comfortably, and seeing $200 land into your bank by the end of the day. Just like that. Sounds like a dream, right? But let me tell you, it is not a dream. It is real, and I did it right from my living room. So guys, here is the story. A friend of mine who is always looking for smart, clever ways to make extra money shared this trick with me. It's like, girl, why don't you try out user testing gigs? And I'm like, what is that? But let me tell you, it is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. Guys, I need to share this one with you because everyone needs to know about this one. All right, let's break it down nice and simple. User testing is where companies pay people like you and me to test their websites and their apps. They want to know what works, what doesn't work, and how people react. Just like being a detective without the hard work. All you need to do is just click around, say what you think, and that's it. It pays anywhere between $10 to $50 for just 20 minutes of your time. No stress, no long hours. Here's how it works. First, you sign up to platforms like usertesting.com, Try My UI, or Userlytics. When you register, they will have to do a testing for you where you will have to say what you see on the screen. If they like your style, you are in. You start earning money. You start getting gigs. Just keep it real. You don't need much. All you need is your laptop or smartphone, an internet connection, a microphone. I mean, so many phones now have inbuilt microphones, so you might not even need an external microphone. That is it. You are good to go so long as you have internet connection. You don't need any special skills or degrees for you to do this particular gig. Just be yourself. Talk through what you see. Give your honest opinion. They love it when people give natural reactions, and that's it. Guys, let's talk money. I mean, that is why we are all here, isn't it? Some days you might make $30, other days $100, or even $200. Yes, if you are consistent and on the kind of gig you pick. If you're able to put in an hour a week, that's an easy side hustle with some serious money rolling in every week. Yes, let me be real with you. If you want to see those dollars stacking up, you have to frequently check the app. Being that new gigs pop up every day, and if you are the first to grab these gigs, means you will be making more money. What is my trick? Is to make sure I have my notifications on so that I don't miss any gig when they roll in. Guys, here is the big takeaway. You don't need to be a tech genius for you to do this. It's simple and it's real money just for you to be yourself and give your honest opinion online. Sign up to the platforms that I've shown you. Stay ready for the gigs and see how the money will keep rolling in. If you try this out and you start making money online, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for sticking around to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do give me a subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop gems like this, you'll be notified. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I have another video up there that you might want to watch. Once again, thank you.